So we'll start work on our terrain, and I will start from back ones. So we'll go open, create, and I'll just create a simple because again it will be on a background, and we'll just switch this to the grainy fractal. Okay, click OK. We'll copy material and apply to this terrain as well. Okay, on our closer one terrain, this one, it's actually we need to work a little bit more, so to bring kind of interesting effect to this and some lighting. As a base, I will still use the same, except on materials. Right here, I want to use the external dependency and recall from our original terrain what we did it, and we'll use it first for Rocky Mountains road. So we'll just connect this one. Okay, you can see already we apply nice effect to this. Okay, let's go next. We'll create one more layer. Okay, and for this layer, actually, I want to add maybe some sand look. So we'll go to landscape. Okay, we'll select soft dunes. And soft dunes come kind of a mixed materials, but I want to keep it just this sand. So you can see we have two of them. If I make right now switch to simple, second material will disappear. So it's what I wanted. And we'll go to transparency. Okay, let's set this to 0. We go to transparency. We'll enable global transparency. Okay, and we'll drive with a function. And our function is what will be, it is external dependency. And we'll switch this to terrain. We connect at this point. Of course, we can kind of preview I set filter, and maybe I want to add a little bit more contrast. Okay, let's create kind of readjusting. Okay, let's click preview how the material is looking. And you can see we have it nice applied and also sand applied in not rough areas. So let's give it this quite a bit nice effect, and that's what I'm going for. So we'll click OK. Let's now work on a sea material. So we'll open default water, and how I say the bumps is too high, so I'll just switch them to 0.3. Okay, also in transparency, I want increased reflectivity, maybe up to 70, so it's give us more reflect of the sky effect as well. We'll take and we reduce depth a little bit down, and maybe switch this to more saturated colors. Give us nice blue effect on our river. The foam probably with as default. Let's click preview. So our water should be have some shimmering, but it will be somewhat smooth, and it's give us nice effect. We could also we could go and also reduce just overall scale on the water. That will additionally provide these small details. Okay, next let's add some story to our terrain, because for now it's just look as a normal terrain, and we'll start work on a character for this. Lighting will provide a lot of mood to our terrain, but additional details will tell a story. And what I'm going to do is we'll use some of the models they're available in Cornucopia. They're somewhat semi-fairy tale kind of interesting ways, and I'll want to put those maybe on the sides to create kind of interesting effect. Okay, so right here. We have one ring maybe around here. scale slightly bigger. Bring down. I want move on a hill, so it's need to be around this area. So like, let's move above. Placed about right place. And right here. Okay, slightly increase in sizes. Place down. Okay, so right here, maybe just move a little bit far right here. Will give it nice effect. Okay, position about 3/4, so we can give it this kind of depth a little bit. Okay, this is one place. So then next, let's bring something closer so we can compare. And I'm going to, probably from the same theme, I'm going to load it. Just watchtower. Just maybe place some right here by water. Okay, let's go right here, grab it, bring a little bit closer. Let's place it down. Okay, just slightly scale smaller. Okay, and I think this is about right place to placing. I'm just looking on about same size. Scale slightly down so we have it preview on this one. And yeah, we have it far away kind of look, and this closer. Okay, so the models is placed, it's look nice. Let's work a little bit on our atmosphere, and I want to also add more kind of non-earthy look for this, and we'll do this with the planets. So let's create one planet, maybe kind of big one. Now it's going kind of down a little bit, and we'll just create second planet. Oops, actually it's sphere. Let me remove the sphere. We'll just create another planet, and I want to bring this planet above first, so it will be head, and I will just take this planet, increase in size, and maybe place somewhere like right here. Okay, we will rework probably a little bit more on the planets. Right now, just placeholders. Okay, let's work on atmosphere, and we'll do this in our next session.